You can click add new and project, and you are done with your live website hosted in the Vercel. Okay, in this video we are going to see the exact steps from code generation to deployment, and trust me guys, we are not going to leave the browser tab. So for that, first you need to go to Google AI Studio and over to Google AI Studio, click enter, and here is the interface. What you can do is get started, click get started, log in with one account, and you can see this kind of interface here. In this particular video we are just going to build one app website. Here is a prompt: create a premium developer portfolio using Next.js, section hero, skills, project, timeline, contact, animated background and smooth scrolling. It is suggesting me, so hit build. It takes few minutes, so what we can do is go to another site called vercel.com, and you can see this kind of interface. When you first enter the website, you can click the sign in button over here and click continue with GitHub. Click continue, and after that you have the Vercel account as well. And if you don't have GitHub yet, you can create one GitHub. You can follow the steps which I discussed in my previous video. You can even select the design from here. Here it is all looking pretty, but let me choose one of them. Select this design. AI Studio is doing the job, creating animated hero section, navbar, project. You can also see the status here, what have been generated. There are multiple exports option. For to anti-gravity, download as a zip file, but there is another option as well. Here is a publish, from where you can see GitHub as well. So what you can do is sync your GitHub account here. It's just sign up with GitHub, and here is the full layout of how it will look like, and it is fully responsive as well. You can toggle into mobile view, and you can see how it look like. The navigation to projects, skills, it is working. For tablet also it is working. So what we can do next step is to push this to GitHub. So let's click the publish, and here we can see the option for GitHub, and you can choose that. You can sync your GitHub, and you need to name the repo name, which is demodv, and go to public. I'm going to create a public repo, and you need to give the description also. Repo, create repository, and what you can see is hand over to github.com again. github.com. Here is your repo which is just added by AI Studio, only readme.md, but what we can do next is stage and commit all the changes. Now here you can see, you can refresh one time, and you can see all the files and folders needed to deploy the app. Here you can see all the files are committed to our GitHub, and go to Vercel, create one account from GitHub. And you can click add new and project, and click import to recently added from AI Studio. The project name, it is the important thing. Project name is the name which is so is the URL .something.vercel.com. So what you can do is you can name what you want to name as a project name, and you can click deploy. I am going with demodv, and you will get the same link in the description as well. Wait for a few seconds, and you are done with your live website hosted in the Vercel. So you can click the link, and here you can see demodv.vercel.app, which is live, and anyone with the link can view the website.